Home Team Weather Lab. Here's meteorologist Kelly Scott.
Welcome back, everyone. Good Monday morning. Well, after record-breaking temperatures on Saturday, it is finally feeling more like winter out there with some rain, storms, wintry mix on the pinpoint radar as we speak. Now, all of this precipitation is thanks to an upper-level area of low pressure off to our south and west. This is going to be somewhat of a slow mover, so we'll keep the precipitation in the forecast as we head throughout today and tomorrow as well. Even the potential for a little bit of snow early tomorrow morning for us. As for today, though, northwestern counties winter weather advisory until 12 p.m. Eastern New Mexico, Curry, including Roosevelt County, also included in this winter weather advisory, but that's extended until 5 p.m. for those two counties. We are already seeing a little bit of that wintry mix up to the north and west. Temperatures right at or slightly above the freezing mark. I'm expecting temperatures to drop just another degree or two before the morning is over with. So for that reason, some of those areas up to the north and west could be dealing with some slick roadways out there. The rest of us seeing just rain. It's too warm at the surface for anything to be hitting the ground as frozen precipitation. Closer look to Lubbock County, some heavier rainfall. I know we've definitely heard some thunder and seen some lightning strikes out there. This is quickly pushing off to the north and east. Temperatures remaining above freezing here in Lubbock. Upper 30s for that reason. All the precipitation is just falling as liquid rain. Closer to freezing, Dimmitt, Muleshoe, Friona. In fact, they have now dropped to that freezing mark at 32 and off into the rolling plains mid-40s, so a little warmer there. Planning this out for you by later this morning, 9-10 a.m. Forecast model is showing a little bit of that wintry mix for us here in Lubbock. Now, as of right now, I'm not expecting those temperatures to drop too much more, at least not to freezing, where we will see frozen precipitation hitting the ground. I think anything that does fall will continue to be rain throughout the morning hours. Northwestern counties still dealing with the wintry mix throughout the morning, and then everything transitioning over to rain by later this afternoon, early evening. A lot of instability associated with this system, so I wouldn't be surprised if we continue to see some heavy rain, some storms producing lightning, as a few rumbles of thunder throughout the day. Heading into early tomorrow morning, that's when we'll see colder air move in throughout the entire atmosphere, and what that means for us, potential for a little bit of snow. I think the main accumulation still off to our north and west here in Lubbock will be hovering right over that freezing mark, but I think we could see a little dusting, possibly an inch in some spots, and then the system quickly clearing out by tomorrow late afternoon, early evening. Still cloudy, but then by Wednesday we're going to be clearing out sunshine and also warming back up. As for rain totals, we're looking at some good rain totals over the next 48 hours. Through tomorrow night, a little over an inch here in Lubbock, and then a little over an inch and a quarter in places off into the rolling plains. Definitely much needed rainfall. As for the winter weather aspect of this, off to the north and west tonight through tomorrow morning, 1 to 2 inches in those areas for us here in Lubbock, and the central south plains, an inch is possible, but I'm really thinking it will be just closer to a dusting for most of us. Temperatures not warming at much at all today. Only highs in the upper 30s. What you feel out there this morning is really what you get. A chance for rain as we head throughout the afternoon. Overcast, still going to be cold and cold overnight with those temperatures dropping below freezing. Rain transitioning over to snow for our northwestern and central counties as we head into early tomorrow morning. Accumulation not overly exciting, probably less than an inch here in Lubbock, 1 to 2 inches off to the north and west. System quickly moving out Wednesday, more sunshine and also warming up. We'll be back into the 70s, feeling like spring again on Friday.
But today, definitely be prepared for that rain like we've been talking about. Thunder and lightning out there already this morning.
Yes.
And so just something to be mindful of.
Exactly. So even though it's not winter precipitation for a lot of us, I mean, the wetness on the roadways still going to make things slick. So just take it slow throughout the day today and tomorrow as well.
Good advice. Thanks so much, Kelly.